Good evening. Today we are going to discuss SAP MM introduction. So, first of all, you need to understand what is SAP. Here, SAP means, here we need to understand first introduction only not given kadandi for you.
No,
okay. So we need to understand what is SAP. From the charger laptop. SAP. What is SAP? SAP stands for Systems Application. Systems Application in Products for Data Processing. Systems Application in Products for Data Processing. So you need to understand what is SAP means. This is the meaning of, this is the abbreviation of SAP. Now, who invented SAP? Who invented SAP?
Germany.
Here, in SAP invented in 1972. Okay, అందుకే corrections అడిగాను. ఓకే అండి, రైట్. ఉంటది అదే ఉంటది. పైకి రండి మీరు, రండి. In 1972, who invented? ఎవరు కనుక్కున్నారు ఇది? In 1972, 5 IBM ex-employees invented this software. Who invented in 1970? Why I am telling ex-employees means, here they resigned from IBM, they came out and they invented the software. So this is SAP. Okay. So in 1972, 5 IBM ex-employees invented the software. Basically, what is SAP? SAP is an ERP. SAP is an ERP. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. What is the meaning of enterprise? Enterprise means company. What is the meaning of enterprise? Enterprise means company. Resources. What are the resources? Man, machinery. By using the resources for a company we are using, this is called ERP. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So for a company, by using the resources, we are trying to get the more profit. That is called ERP. So how many ERPs are there in the market? Do you know? How many ERPs are there in the market? JD Edwards, Ban, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Ban, PeopleSoft, Oracle. Next top is SAP. The number one is SAP. The SAP is the topmost company. Why the topmost company is? I will show you. For example, you please see this. In SAP, this is SAP software. This is Oracle software. Okay. This is SAP software. This is Oracle software. This is PeopleSoft. This is JD Edwards.
Sir,
See, you try to understand in SAP, all departments are there.
sir, just a
SAP,
minute. I'm not able to see your screen. You
one
you
second,
shared your
one
screen.
second, 1 second. Yeah, thank you. Whenever you are unable to see, please tell me, Andy. See,
Okay.
now you are
Okay.
able to see, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
సో ఎస్ఏపిలో చూడండి అన్ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎస్డి అంటే సేల్స్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, ఎంఎం మెటీరియల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, పిపి ప్రొడక్షన్ అండ్ ప్లానింగ్, క్యూఎం క్వాలిటీ మెయింటెనెన్స్, పిఎం ప్లాంట్ మెయింటెనెన్స్, హెచ్ఆర్ హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్, ఎఫ్ఐ ఫైనాన్షియల్, సిఓ కంట్రోలింగ్, ఏఎం అసెట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, పిఎస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, డబ్ల్యూఎఫ్. Like this, there are around 64 departments in SAP. Whereas Oracle, you see, QM is not there in Oracle. CO also not there in Oracle. PeopleSoft, so many other departments are missing. See, PP missing, CO missing, AM, PS, WF, all missing. JD Edwards also like SAP, it is also a software. But here, plant maintenance is missing. PS, WF is missing. Try to understand. So, how you can understand is, SAP is the number one software in the industry. Next 30 to 40 years, there is no doubt, highest boom will be there for SAP. Got my point? So this is the best example to understand what is SAP and how we are running. Just see here. Now let me go with in SAP, this is the topmost company, world's number one. World's number one software for complete solution for a company. For a complete solution for a company. Try to understand. Now, SAP basically it is SAP R by 3. R by 3. What is the meaning of SAP R by 3? Real time 3-tier architecture. Real time 3-tier architecture, SAP R by 3. So, what is the real time 3-tier architecture? You try to understand. Real time 3-tier architecture. Still here, any doubts are there? Vasundhara garu and Rajini garu, any doubts, Andy?
No, sir. No, sir.
Please ask me any doubts. I
No,
can
sir.
stop and explain once again. Okay, please ask me. This is my request. Okay. So now let me go with the here. Three-tier architecture means, for example, let me take this is database server. This is database server. This is one server. Another server, let me take application server. This is application server. Here, this is application server. Next, presentation server. See, I am explaining everything to you because tomorrow, if we go for interview, they will ask the small questions. You need to able to answer. Otherwise, it's very difficult. And that's why I am trying to explain you more clearly. Presentation server. Total 3 servers. Database server, application server, presenter. So how many tiers? 3, 1, 2, 3. 3-tier architecture. You can ask me, see, 10 years before there is only 2-tier architecture. Application server was not there. Only database server and presentation server was there. Now here extra we got one server, that is what is that? Which one we got?
Presenting.
Application
Presentation
server.
server. Application server is the extra we got. Okay.
Application is nothing but testing server, sir.
అప్లికేషన్ చెప్తానండి. అప్లికేషన్ అంటే టెస్టింగ్ కాదు. 1 second. చూడండి, this is the link between database server to the application server to the presentation server. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ SAP తీసేసి జావా పెట్టాం కదా ఫణీంద్ర సర్టిఫికెట్ లో. SAP ట్రైనింగ్ కదా, అది తీసేసి జావా ట్రైనింగ్ అని పెట్టాం. Now you try to understand what happened. Where we are working means we are working at a presentation server. We are all working generally in the company. We are working at a presentation server. So we are all working at a presentation server. See, one employee, another employee. These are all employees. Here one me, one Vasundhara garu, one Rajini garu. See, one Ramya, one Prasad. Like this, people are working here at presentation server. Suppose here I am Mohan. Here I am Mohan. Mohan working here. Mohan working here. Come on, Madonna. You go. The type chase well. So add. ఇక్కడ వసుంధర మేడం, ఇక్కడ రజనీ గారు. We are all working here, for example. Okay. Now I am Mohan. So Mohan working with vendor data. So I am working with vendor data. Example I am telling. So when I am working with vendor data, what will happen? So here, when I am working with vendor data, I will put a request to the application server. Application server will fetch the data from the database. And now I am working on vendor data. Suppose Vasundhara also wants to change some data of the vendor. She will put a request to the application server. Application server will say, already Mohan is working. You please wait. So what application server is doing? It is controlling the data in between database and presentation. 10 years back, this is not there. Then what happened? I am trying to fetch the data. You are also trying to fetch the data. There is a lot of disturbance in the server because of both we are trying. మిగతాది కొట్టేసి కలుపుదాం తర్వాత అనుకోవచ్చు. How much you did, you continue. Awesome. Okay, so this is the situation. So this is 3-tier architecture. Did you understand? Both you understood or not, Andy? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Understand. Okay. Any doubt, please ask me. I can help you.
Okay.
Right.
Sir, is there any queue will be, if you said that example as Vasundhara is waiting for the database server request.
Okay.
When will
Yeah,
we get?
queue will be there, Andy. See, this application server will maintain the queue. Suppose any emergency data we need to give means they will hold Mohan and they will give Vasundhara's. It depends on how emergency and how fast we need to do that. That depends on that. Try to understand.
Okay,
I think
priority will be.
priority depends on the
Okay.
priority. Exactly. You are right. Okay. Fine, Andy.
Okay.
Right.
Sir,
So
those database servers will, who will access, whether SAP holders or some other persons?
see, one good question you asked, Andy. Very good. See, olden days, I mean, now also there is lot of change in the servers, and we need to understand what is the change in the servers is companies are not maintaining huge servers. Before, they will take huge space to keep the servers. Nowadays, cloud computing came. You know, cloud computing.
Location.
So, what is the cloud computing? You tell me, please. Do you have any idea?
Yeah, they
Please
are
tell us.
maintaining the data, what we are required.
Who is maintaining data, Andy?
IBM or cloud, what AWS, whatever.
Excellent. So, what I am telling is now there are some companies maintaining only servers. Suppose
Yeah,
Amazon Web
release there.
Services is there. It will maintain complete networking and servers only. Suppose your company is in Bangalore. Amazon is in some other state, Gujarat or somewhere. Example I am telling. So that company will give the network access to your company, and space will be saved and time will be saved. Maintenance also will be saved. See, to maintain servers, there is lot of even this thing also required, manpower also required. So all these things will be saved with the cloud computing. This is the normal general servers I am talking about. But if we go beyond this, then there will be cloud computing is there. Cloud computing is the use topic. Okay, we'll discuss. Amazon Web Services also I am teaching. So that we'll discuss. Okay, Nandi? So here, let us, any doubt, Andy, Rajini garu or Vasundhara garu, doubt clear in the meeting?
Sir, I asked that the database server, SAP holders will not maintain. They are maintained by some other persons.
No, Andy, good question. See, I forgot your question. See, SAP maintaining its own servers.
Its own servers. Okay.
SAP is not depending on any other servers. SAP is depending on own server. SAP server will be there. To maintain SAP server, SAP consultant will be there. They are called basis people. SAP basis. Try to understand. SAP basis people, they are called. Suppose you joined in some company, Infosys you joined. Then who will give, when you go to office, they will give your user ID, password, and any issue in the network, everything will be done by the basis people. Okay, HR will assign some basis guy, network guy. He will give all the connections. You got my point? Doubt clear అయిందండి?
Okay, sir.
రైట్. ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. బేసిస్ పీపుల్ విల్ బి దేర్. ఇంకా మీకు కొంచెం ఫర్దర్గా వెళ్తే అర్థమవుతుందండి బాగా. సో example, let us take one small example. Now, I want to ask you, how many kinds of projects are there in the industry? Can I know? Projects.
How many kinds of projects?
Projects. How many types of projects are there?
E-banking or e-commerce like that, sir?
No. Development project, implementation project, like that. Do you have any
That's
idea?
what I'm saying, sir.
Testing
Banking
project.
apps.
You are telling about development project, Andy?
Yeah, sir. E-banking apps you has to develop, e-commerce apps.
Okay. Okay. See, SAP terminology, my point is implementation project. Did you heard about this word?
Yeah, sir.
Did
Implementation
you heard
means,
about this word, Andy? Implementation project. Can you tell me, please? Anybody?
we has to check with the client, sir.
Implementation project means what?
We has to get the data from the client.
No, Andy. Implementation project means we need to understand. For
What are the
example,
requirements?
see, what I want to say. Implementation project means, suppose let us take one company which is running on SAP. You know very well about this company. That company name is Geo, for example. Geo company is there. Who is the owner of Geo, Andy? Who is the owner of Geo?
Ambani.
Ambani.
Ambani,
Mm.
correct?
Yes,
You
sir.
know, we know about Ambani. How many branches he is having all over India and all over the world? Some thousands of branches will be there. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So to maintain all these branches, it's for a person is very difficult, and to maintain one small shop only will feel very difficult. But he is maintaining all over the world. There are so many branches and so much network and so many companies, so many outlets. There are so many things. Is Ambani, right?
Yes, sir.
Ambani is maintaining. Geo, why he took SAP means SAP will give complete solution.
Okay.
SAP will give complete solution.
In SAP, all systems are in one system, sir.
ఏమండి అన్ని
In SAP, all systems are maintaining in one system.
Yes, in SAP everything we can maintain. Your business completely we can upload and we can run the business. How business, how many branches are there? There is no issue.
Okay.
We can run the business and. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So he chosen SAP means we need to understand he is the richest person, world's richest person. So India's richest person is using SAP. If you go to any Geo outlet, you can see SAP in their billing system and all. SAP you can see. SAP is giving the complete solution for this thing. So what Geo will do is first Geo purchase SAP software from SAP India, that is Germany. From Germany, they will purchase this software. Samya? So here, Geo purchased SAP software from Germany by paying Java sound package sound. Java full stack. Java full stack. By paying, suppose if Geo company wants 100 users, they will charge 1 crore. Example. If they want 1,000 employees want to use this software in their company, they will use some 5 crores. It depends on the number of users the software cost depends on. You got my point, Andy? So the cost of the software depends on the number of users in the company. If the company having more users, the cost of the software will be more. Okay. SAP will give complete solutions and Jio purchases SAP by paying some crores of rupees. You try to understand. Now, what they will do, what they will do, Jio after purchasing the software from Germany, they will approach any one of the top MNCs. What are the top MNCs, Andy? What are the top MNCs? Wipro,
With IBM.
IBM, Infosys,
Infosys.
yes,
Cognizant. TCS.
Accenture,
Cognizant.
Accenture, Cognizant,
Accenture.
Cognizant,
HCL.
like this. So TCS, yes, good. TCS, Bosch,
Bosch.
so many, Andy. So many companies are there. Suppose Jio tie up with Wipro, example. Jio
Okay.
tie up with Wipro. Any one company they will tie up. Now Wipro, what they will do? They will install this software into their company. From Wipro, yeah, some all senior consultants, MM2 seniors, FICO2 seniors, like that, all senior consultant first visit the Jio company. They will analyze the business process. They will make the blueprint. What is the blueprint mean? Suppose you want to construct a building, first we'll make a plan, you know very well.
Yes, sir.
So like that, if they want to install SAP software, first they will do the blueprint. After blueprint, they will start implementing. They will start working SAP. They are installing SAP software into the company. This is called implementation project. అయినా దాన్ని PDF సేవ్ చేసి నాకు వాట్సాప్ పంపించండి. పర్ఫెక్ట్. చేంజ్ అయింది నా వాట్సాప్ పంపించండి. నేను జిరాక్స్ షాప్ పంపిస్తాను. మీరు వెళ్ళి ప్రింట్ తీసుకురండి, సైన్ పెట్టి ఇచ్చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? యా, కొంచెం మంచి నో ప్రాబ్లం. పంపించాను చూడండి.
Hello, master.
So this is implementation project. See, you try to understand what is implementation project means. From beginning in a company, a project is running. This project is called implementation project. Implementation project. Okay. So suppose you are going for interview, they will ask one question. How many implementation projects you did? 100% they will ask the first question, that only. That is the first question. They will ask the first question, how many implementation projects you did? You can say 1 or 2. I will tell you. According to your experience, I will tell you how many implement. Compulsory, they will ask the question. After this, so you tell me, Andy, what is implementation project? If a project is running in a company from beginning, you are involved into that project. That is called implementation project. Next time, if I ask, please respond like this only. In interview also, you need to tell like this. What is the development project? Please tell me. What is the development project?
They are developed some codes, sir.
We want to increase the number of branches in Jio company. Suppose there are 100 branches. They want to put more 50 branches all over the India. Then that is called development. In that project you are involving, that is called development project. Maintenance project. Maintenance project. What is the maintenance project? Can you tell me, please? After installing SAP, definitely when it is running, some issues will come. You see, if you go to the bank, for example, you are trying to take the money from the ATM, but suddenly your ATM card went inside. What you will do immediately? You will call to the bank. You will call to the customer care. See, my ATM stuck in the ATM. My ATM card stuck in ATM machine. So please help me. Then what they will do, they will raise a ticket. So this is the issue immediately. Then automatically it will go to the software department. In software department, they will resolve this issue. We don't know what happening back end, but we know only one thing: our card should come. That's all we are thinking, and we are meeting a manager branch. They will give. But back end, all these things will happen, and this is called maintenance. Maintenance project means after installing everything, when SAP is running in a company, issues will come. These issues, to solve these issues, that the company, Geo company, will tie up with some other company, Accenture, for example. Accenture maintaining Geo for resolving the tickets. This is called maintenance project. Rajini garu and Vasundhara garu, any doubts? And hello,
Sir.
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి?
No, sir.
You can ask, no problem at all. Sir, this is my doubt,
sir, no.
means I can explain. So please, what is here? I am giving you everything, every information, because in interview, what kind of questions they will ask, that is very important. And
Yes, sir.
okay, so this is about SAP. Now, in SAP, we have three kinds of modules, three kinds of departments: functional modules. What are the functional modules? SAP MM, material management; SAP FICO, finance and controlling; SAP HR, human resource management; SAP SCM, supply chain management; SAP CRM, customer relation management; SAP SCM, supply chain management, already over; QM, quality maintenance; SAP PP, production and planning; SAP PM, plant maintenance. So like these are all functional modules. In functional modules, no coding, but functional module people are the boss in the company. You are playing the major role in the company. SAP companies, functional people. Now, there are technical. SAP, in SAP, there is technical modules. Technical module. What is a technical module? Can you tell me? SAP ABAP. What is ABAP? Please tell me. Advanced. This is technical and coding will be there like Java, Python, C, C++. This is advanced business, advanced business, application programming. This is technical module. So how to see the technical module? Where the people will work means, you see here, I think SE38, the transaction code. SE38, we need to rejoin, I think.
SC38.
SE38 is the transaction code where SAP ABAPers will work on it. అయిందా సార్?
నీకు స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తున్నారా?
Sir, screen not visible, sir.
వస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి.
Mm.
SE 38.
Okay. Okay.
This is. So this is ABAP editor. Technical people will work here and functional people will work SPRO. What is the transaction code? SAP product reference object. SPRO meaning SAP product reference object. See, we are SAP MM people, we are going to work here and materials management. You see here, these are the topics we are going to work. General settings, material management, consumption based planning, purchasing, external services, inventory management, excise duty,